Did you know that honeybees have 5 eyes? Stay tuned. We're going to learn about honeybee vision. That's right, 5 eyes. Hi, I'm Denny. Welcome to the Bee Blog. Yes, today we're painting. It's the last full week of February, and I have an opportunity, because it's a nice day today, to put a coat of paint on my new Langstroth boxes. I thought maybe you'd like to see how we do this. You don't paint the inside of your Langstroth boxes, just the outside. And you really don't have to be that neat. The bees aren't going to care. And it really doesn't matter what color you paint them. Although I wouldn't suggest you paint them bright red, because I don't think bees can see red. Their eyes are a little different, and we'll talk about that later on in this video. But what I've done here is I had some old house paint down in the basement, had some beige and I had some bright green, and I mixed it together, and I came up with a sort of a, I don't know, it's mostly green. It really doesn't matter. I thought I would just take a moment to show you how I paint these. I set up a few sawhorses and then put a 2x6 across the sawhorses and hang the boxes on the 2x6. So that when I'm ready to paint them, I can just flip them right over to the next side to paint that part. You don't have to be terribly neat. The bees aren't going to care. What you're really trying to do is get a good protective, waterproof coat on the outside of the box. As you can see here, we don't paint the inside of the boxes. The bees don't like painted surfaces as much as we do. I hope my honeybees like their new green hives this year. Their vision is very different than ours. Take this rainbow, for example. We see the visible light spectrum like this. A good way to remember your rainbow is Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But if you had bee vision, it would look very different. You don't see this part of the spectrum. You would only see from the orange, yellow, green, up through the blues and the violet, but also ultraviolet, which is absolutely essential to leading you to the nectar-rich center of many flowers. Here's some examples. The picture on the left is a photograph under visible light. The same flower on the right is photographed under ultraviolet light. You can see how the UV vision creates almost a target for the bee to find the nectar-rich center. Here's a dandelion. Again, the left side, bee vision. The right side, human vision. Honeybees do have 5 eyes. At the top of their head are 3 simple eyes called ocella. These eyes react to the light intensity and may be used to help the bee triangulate direction relative to the sun. On the side of the bee's head are 2 large compound eyes. These eyes contain thousands of lenses called ommatidia. We see the most famous painting in the world, the Mona Lisa, like this. But to a bee, their view is pixelated, like this. That's it for this week's Bee Blog. Please subscribe to the channel and tell your friends about it. I need all the help I can get. Bye.